So the first one that I pulled separately is this one. It is a fully lace. It's got this really, once again, these laces are so pretty. These very different kind of intricate laces. This has some really pretty clear beading. It does come with this little satin belt, but you can also change it out for one of our belts as well. The back of it's just really nice and simple. And like I said, this one is so light. It does have 2 layers, but it's just this really, really light lace layer. And then it's a really nice and simple, silky kind of satiny bottom layer. This one is a size 2 for $155. Alright, this next one here, the satins are really hard to come by as far as a light satin. Most of them end up being really thick and heavy, but this one's actually super light. It's a really nice white satin. It has pretty much a straight neckline. It does have a little bit of a dip right there, but it's mostly straight. Of course, all this pleating, and it does have this cute little intricate beading right on the side. It does have a train, and then it is a simple zipper back. This one is a size 4 for $195. Alright, next, this is one of our newest ones. Again, so extremely light. This is a really, really nice and breezy chiffon bottom. And then it does have a very pretty lace bodice with a V neckline, a cute little ribbon insert right there to give you a nice waistline. And then the back of it's just like I said, just this really simple halter V neckline with a zipper back on the back. This one is a size 4 for $198. As you can see, most of these are a really, really good price range. So they're perfect for those beach weddings if you're just doing something kind of quick and easy, or these outdoor weddings that you, like I said, if you're just doing it kind of quick and easy, these are perfect for that. This one is a super light tulle with a really pretty shiny like satin underneath it. They have added this belt here, so you can take it off if you don't want this at all, but it is an absolutely gorgeous addition. It is little clear stones with little pearls in it. It does have some pleated kind of ruched bodice here. And then the back here, this is completely see-through tulle, and then it is a zipper back there. And you can see where they sewed it on to the zipper back here, so that way you don't have a bow in the back. This one retailed for $250. It's a size 8 and it's $155 here. Alright, next, this one looks pretty much just like the first one I showed you guys, but this one has a train, but it does have really cool like different stripes almost of lace, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then you can see it shimmer with that beading, that clear beading that's not going to be over the top, but just enough to give you a little extra bling. Then there's that train, and it is a zipper back. So this one's a little bit heavier, but mostly it's just because of the train. So once you have it on you, it's not going to be like quite as heavy. This one's a size 8 for $299. Alright, another gorgeous true white. This one is another lace. This belt is coming, like it does come with it. So basically what it is a white satin, and then this is over top of that, and it's got little roses and a little extra kind of applique over here to the side. I tied it together in the back. I'm not the best at bows, so don't judge it, but then it does have a zipper back, and it is lined with buttons in the back, a V neckline in the front and the back. There is not a train, it's just really nice and straight. It is brand new, it's a size 10 and it's a $150. Alright, another one of my favorites lately is this one. It is a really pretty white chiffon. It is actually, it's kind of that in between white and ivory. It's kind of that off-white shade, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It has a really cool lace. Like I said, all these laces are so pretty, and it has a chiffon strap on both sides, a little bit of a sweetheart dip right there in the front, and then it is a zipper back in the back. It has a slight train, but it's just like a little kind of follow-through type train. It's not super long or anything. This one's a size 10. It retailed for $425, and we have it for $198. Alrighty, keep getting through them. This is another really gorgeous one. I will say that this one is a little bit heavier than the other ones that I've been showing you. I still consider it to be very light compared to our other gowns that we have, that I would consider more of a fall or a winter kind of gown. But this one, the lace makes it absolutely so summery and gorgeous. And then this little belt that comes with it is so cute. It has this like fabric like flower, and then it's got little pearls in the center of those flowers, which is adorable. The back of this one does have a train, and it is a zipper back. And like I said, this right here is that belt where it ties up in the back. We just kind of had it tied together for right now. So it has a really long like ribbon that goes down the back. So if you tie that bow, it's going to be really elegant and pretty. But if you decided that you didn't want the bow, you can do what was on the other one and just have a seamstress sew it to the back of the zipper, so that way it is held in place the whole time. This one's also brand new. It retailed for $3.50. It's a size 10, and we have it for $2.50. All right, this one's another one. So I tried to find something that wasn't lace this time. It is a really light chiffon. It's just really nice and simple with some ruching. You could always add a really pretty belt to give it some extra glam. And then the back of it, it does have a slight train on it, and then it is a plain zipper back. This one is also brand new. It retailed for $3.99. It's a size 10, and we have it for $2.99. Alrighty, so this next one here, another lace. So I hope you like lace for your summer wedding, because that's really a lot of what we have that are going to be on the lighter side of the dresses. So this one, of course, is another lace. Got a sweetheart neckline, and then the back of it is a zipper back, nice and simple. It does have the same kind of like what I was saying, like kind of that follow through, as I'm calling it. It's not quite a train, but it's just enough to hit the ground behind you. This one is brand new as well. It retailed for $6.25. It's a size 12, and we have it for $3.99. All right, two more, guys. I'm gonna try to go through quick. Yet another satin that I found that's actually really light and airy, because it doesn't have to be lace and it doesn't have to be chiffon to be able to be light and airy. It just depends on how the dress has been made. This one is a sweetheart neckline. It has plenty of ruching, and then has this really pretty beaded applique on the side there. This one does have a train, of course, and it is a zipper back. It is yet another brand new one. This one retailed for $449. It's a size 14, and we have it for $2.99. All right, guys, the last one I have to show you guys today is something that I've really liked a lot lately. Is this Swiss dot tulle. Let me pull it up here so you can see it. If you can tell, it's got these little dots all through it, which is absolutely adorable. So it's almost like it's polka dot, but they call it Swiss dot. This one is a sweetheart neckline, and the back of it here is just a plain zipper back. This one does not have a train. It is all just one length. And it would be perfect for, once again, all of these simple weddings, your outdoor weddings, your beach weddings. Yet another super light one. This one's a size 16W, and it is $2.50. So that's everything that I have pulled for you today. I know that was a lot coming at you, but everything that I pulled is super light, super airy, and perfect for the summer weather. So if that's something that you're looking for, we do have plenty of it. There's so much more where this came from. We have over 300 wedding gowns in stock. You definitely have to come see them. It's so worth the drive. If you want to get a kind of a sampling about what our dresses look like, definitely go to our website at michellecb.com. Almost every single wedding gown is on there. The only reason why I have to say almost is because anything that has just come in is the only ones that aren't on there. Everything else is up to date, and they are in stock. So definitely come check those out. Check out our website and see what else is on there. While you're here, make sure you check out our Flower Girl dresses. We have so much to offer you for your summer weddings or any wedding of the season, of any season. So definitely come and see us. We look forward to seeing you. Bye.